Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Nuggets where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. So friends, today's video is question number 1.35 from NCERT textbook class 11 and chapter's name is Some Basic Concepts of Chemistry. So let's look at the question. Calcium carbonate reacts with aqueous HCl to give CaCl2 and CO2 according to the reaction. So friends, we have a reaction given here. Now the question is, what mass of calcium carbonate is required to react completely with 25 ml of 0.75 molar HCl. So friends, whenever we are talking about any question in which molarity or moles are discussed, we should always first take a look on the reaction whether it is balanced or not. Now in this case, the reaction is balanced. If the reaction is not balanced, first step should be to balance the reaction. Now because the reaction is balanced, we will proceed to the next step, that is the given. For HCl, volume is 25 ml and its molarity is 0.75 m. From these two clues, we will start our solution. So as we know, molarity is equal to moles of solute divided by volume of the solution in liters. So from this given equation, we will calculate the number of moles. So here number of moles of solute, which is hydrochloric acid here. So it is molarity into volume in liters. So molarity is given 0.75 and volume is given 25 ml. But we need to take volume in liters, so we will divide the 25 with 1000. Now this term is volume in liter. Now after calculation, we get the value 0.01875 moles. So these are the moles of the hydrochloric acid which is used in the reaction. Now further, because the reaction is balanced, so we can see that 2 moles of HCl reacts with 1 mole of calcium carbonate. So we will use this point in our further proceeding and we use the unitary method. So we can write 2 moles of HCl reacts with 1 mole of calcium carbonate. So 1 mole of HCl reacts with 1/2 moles of calcium carbonate. In the same way, if we have 0.01875 moles of HCl, it reacts with 0.01875 divided by 2 moles of calcium carbonate. Simply using the unitary method, we will calculate the answer. The answer should be here 0.0094 moles of calcium carbonate. So friends, this we get the amount of calcium carbonate in terms of moles. Now since the question asks what mass of calcium carbonate, so we will now convert the moles of calcium carbonate into the mass of calcium carbonate. For this we have a formula. Moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass. So here moles we knew, molar mass we need to calculate first. So molar mass of calcium carbonate. So calcium's atomic mass is 40 plus carbon atomic mass 12 plus oxygen atomic mass 16, which in turn multiplied by 3, since 3 atoms are there. After all, we will get 100. So molar mass of calcium carbonate is 100. Now put the values in the formula. So we need to get the mass is equal to moles multiplied by molar mass. Now moles we got 0.0094 and molar mass is 100. After calculation we will get the answer 0.94 grams. So this is our final required answer. The mass of calcium carbonate required is 0.94 grams. So friends, the question is seeming horrible, but the calculation is very easy. So keep watching the video and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get the notification for the next coming video. Till then, thank you.